Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to work on the LA175. The front steering is way out of whack. As you can tell, this wheel's like that and this wheel's like this. And if you turn it this way, this wheel goes way out. So you can tell right here there's a big gap on this side. And this side here seems to be this front A-arm here. There's a war on the inside here. I'm going to take this apart here. I'm going to lower this motor deck all the way down, take this clip out and pull that, and then I'm going to take this rod out. So when I jack the tractor up, this will stay on the ground. So I'll take this cap off here after I jack. I'm going to grab a rag there, clean the grease off. If you don't have any grease there, that means you don't grease your spindles. You should have grease there and at the bottom. Should be able to pop this clip off here. Just the C clip. Just pop there. It's good. Don't forget your washer. Do the same thing to the other side. Yeah, right here you can tell it's twisted right here. So we need a new one of these. So I'll take the hood off here. You have to take this off, that off, and you have to take the muffler off. There's just a 10mm socket. This is 8mm here. For the muffler guard here. That's 18mm, so I got a wrench on this side here. And I'll use my impact gun here. This plate will fall off here. This is for your mower deck. All right, that's it. And as you can tell, it bent and it wore. Look, it wore quite a bit of it here on the frame. So this is bent this way. So I'm gonna go in my spare part, see if I have one. Now I got my part there of my old tractor I had in the backyard there. I put a little bit of grease here on the other side. All right, I greased them bushings there, pretty good. Now, grease fitting forward. Line it up. Don't forget your plate here on the back. Okay. This plate goes like this. Line here. Okay. Okay, put your washer and your clip. Cap on. Do the same as the other side. Muffler guard here. 2 clips there goes underneath there in the groove. Let's put the 2 back bolts for now. And then these goes on the front ones. I'm gonna put my rod this way. This is the mower deck here. The PTO clutch is right here. That's good. Put it on. Yeah, the wheel look a lot better now. All right, if you like this video, you could smash that thumbs up button, and you could subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.